Germany40 once again traded in range throughout last week with a slight bullish bias, achieving the double bottom there on the weekly charts. It has given lower highs and it is trying to consolidate. Now what to expect next week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. And yes, towards the end of this analysis, I will give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. Now see, first of all, let's understand how Germany has behaved so far. See, creating the bottom here, near term bottom, it has given a sharp rally for multiple weeks, retracement, then a rally. So it is still very much in this bullish channel. But at the same time, one must not forget that it is creating the cusp here. It is creating that the slope here and the slope here has changed. At the same time, look, these two big bullish candle and now it is trying to trade sideways. This is the first observation. Next observation, see the 3 weeks bottom here at around 14,900 15,000 levels. Now these levels are certainly very good support levels and it is trying to stay afloat, stay above these levels, and that is what one should focus on, because once it breaks below this zone, certainly it will call for further bearishness till towards 14,600 and below. Now next observation here is, see the candle size. The candle size is diminishing, is smaller, getting smaller in size here. And then the next is lower highs, which means that it is not willing to break past the previous highs. However, another observation which I have said several times, see, it was trading so far for last 1 year, entire 2022, it traded in this bearish channel, and now it is come out of this bearish channel and trying to trade bullish. Now look at the highs which it had created. All-time highs, you can say it is above 16,300 levels, close to 16,300 levels. And if you look closely on the weekly chart, see rise, retracement, rise. So probably in near term, maybe it may take a little few weeks or months, but it is looking forward to creating a double top before it looks forward to a downward journey. That is my expectation. And for next week specifically, once it trades beyond this zone at 15,600 15,700, certainly you can expect another round of rise which may take it further highs till towards 15,900 levels. So you have to wait and watch how it behaves at 15,600 levels, and if it breaks past 15,600, certainly possibility exists that 15,800 900 levels can be expected. On the downside, the previous support was at 15,300 200 levels, and this is again going to remain a strong support. So 15,200 to 600 levels, once again, let's be watchful of. Now let's have a look at the daily chart. Now look at the daily charts. See rise, flat bottom, consolidation zone at 15,000, then the rise. Now again trying to consolidate, but yes, it has created higher highs here. Now look at last 3-4 days candle here. See, it recovered sharply towards the end of the session, towards the end of the week. And if you look at before that, it has given lower highs, lower lows here. And anyways, lower highs are there. So this is one part, and hence, even only if it breaks past 15,600 next week, you can expect that it is trying to reverse, it is trying to trade bullish, else there is all the possibility that once it trades below 15,300 and 200 levels, certainly more bearishness will be observed. And one thing, if you also observe, see 15 almost 300, higher lows, higher highs. And yes, this candle is specifically with a sharp tail and a greener body. So once it opens above, tries to take it above 15,600 and 650, you can expect that it is willing to give a breakout, and then directly it may land at 15,800 900 levels. In fact, can go past 16,000 also. This is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the monthly charts. Now see, on the monthly charts, throughout the month of February, Germany has traded in a very small narrow range so far between 15,200 and 6,700 levels, or rather 15,100 and 15,650 levels. But if you look at the preceding candle was a sharp bullish one, almost 1,500 points of this candle, and now it is started at around 15,200 levels. So possibly even half the size means it can try to attempt and achieve and go past 16,000 levels. This possibility also exists, which means from here in next 7 trading sessions there is a possibility of a little bullishness. However, in any case, trading below 15,200, going below 15,000, that will call for the bears, and that will call for, see, one green candle, red candle, green candle, possibly it can try to bring it down and give a red candle. That is the last scenario which I'll be looking forward to. I don't expect that this candle is going to close in red, is per my expectation. However, once it stays below 15200, certainly it will call for a little more bears out there. Right now it is looking forward to achieve the double top. That is what I have said, in next couple of months or so, achieving the double top possibly. There we may see, because see, rise, retracement, rise, and then this downward journey may resume. Now let's also have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting? Now see, indicators 20, 50, 100 period moving average trading with divergence indicating bullishness. Also, if you look at the daily movement, despite just one candle, it tried to break below this 20 period moving average, else it is still trading bullish. It is still looking upwards. On the upside, 15800 levels certainly is going to remain a good resistance, and yes, if it breaks below 15400, certainly little more bearishness may get observed. However, right now it is taking the support from 20 period moving average, which is situated at 15400 levels, is going to remain a very strong support. Now if you look at the directional movement, is bullish so far, trying to converge the stochastic after dipping, trying to rise and come into overbought zone. The MACD is in red. Remember, the MACD is still in red. It is still trading with a slightly negative slope, which means there could be a little more bearishness. It has not yet crossed over, or else it requires stronger bullish candle for it to achieve the highs further. RSI, which was trading overbought, has cooled down and now trading near to high levels, not overbought as of now. Now look at the weekly chart. On the weekly charts, after trading in a bear zone so far, now the 20 and 50 period moving average have taken a crossover. This is trading with divergence. This is indicating little bullishness, and now I'll look forward to a crossover between the 20 and 100 and 50 and 100 period moving averages as well. That will bring Germany40 into near-term bullish zone. Now see, directional movement is trying to converge a bit, though the red line, the bear line, is still looking downwards, indicating sharp further more bearishness that is inherent. I can say not, you can see, bullishness is diminishing, but bearishness is trying to keep it intact. That is what I can sense it from here. The stochastic is overbought on the weekly charts, which may try to bring it a little down. The MACD is still divergent bullish, looking upwards. See the flatness here on the candles, it is trying to diminish, and hence there is more downside pressure right now on Germany40. How far it, or how high it scales up, that is what something we need to look up. But then there is a little downward pressure which we should be aware of. At the same time, look at this here also it is looking upwards. It may try to take this to this zone, extreme overbought levels, and then from there the drop may start. RSI trying to look upwards, get into overbought zone on the weekly charts. Now look at the monthly chart. On the monthly charts, yes, it is still trading bullish. About 20, 50, 100 months moving average, 16,000, 15,800, very strong resistance zone. Directional movement trying to cross over for a buy entry. Right now it was trading in sell. The stochastic is overbought. Yes, we may see still it sustaining couple of months and probably achieving the highs before it looks forward to a sell entry. Look at the MACD. On the monthly chart, the MACD has crossed over. The MACD has crossed over at the bottom. This is one important sign which one must not forget. This is the first green candle. It means that there could be couple of further green candles. It can try to bring it a little high before trying to take it further down. The RSI is also looking upward. So on the monthly chart, the chances of Germany40 giving a red candle is less, which means 15200, 15100 certainly going to remain a good support. And then probably we may see a bullish move once it breaks past 15600, 650 zone next week. Certainly more bullishness might take it for 15800, very strong resistance, and then 15900. In fact, it can break past 16000. This zone between 15800 and 16000 is something I will be looking forward to once it stays above 15600, 650 level. So we have seen the charts, you have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategies so that you can profit next week. Yes, if you want to learn this art, you can join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on first week of March. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Reach out to me for same. Now, where to buy? Yes, you can buy here at 15550 itself, but then 15600 and 650. These two levels you should watch out for. Only and only if it breaks out beyond 15650, you can expect that it is trying to trade bullish here. The next target I will look forward to is 15800 directly. Once it trades beyond 15650, it may try to attempt and achieve 15800 levels, and then we can expect 15880, 15950, and then 16020. Anything is possible. These are markets, but this zone is going to be a very strong resistance zone between 15800 and 16000 level. Beyond 15650, certainly these levels are going to be the next stronger achievable levels, yet a resistance level, and hence till 16,000 you have to trade with caution. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 15450 levels, but then 15400, 15320, 15220, and then 15100. Now another point, 15200 and 15400, these two levels you should watch out for. Below this, little bearishness will be there. Below 15220, the bearishness might increase and we may see it dropping below 15100 and 15000 levels. My expectation for it to again trade with a modest bullish bias and not to drop from here. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss. Trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my signals channel. Join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.